The lighting, yes, girl. Get that baby fluffed up. Y'all, just right before I do the intro, let me just fix this hair, make sure it's all the way together before I start talking to y'all.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig installation for you guys, and I'm gonna just give y'all a 411 on this unit before we get into the installation. You feel me? So this hair is from Alipearl. I got it in 20 inches of goodness. It is a 13x4 frontal. I got it in 180% density, meaning how full the hair is, and trust, this 180% density is giving life. You see how bouncy that hair is? Like stiff wear. It is super soft, and it's just doing everything that it needs to do. I did pluck the frontal, so it didn't come plucked like this. Like, I had to customize the unit myself. I had to bleach the knots some because it looked a little bit dense and it was too dark, and the front was just too full. So definitely you're gonna have to customize it straight out of the package, and you're gonna have to bleach the knots if you want it to have a effortless and natural look. You don't want it to look too wiggy. Like, I know it's a wig, you know it's a wig, everybody probably know it's a wig. Well, some people might not know it's a wig, depending on how well you customize it. So I'm going to show you guys how I got the wig all the way together and all that good stuff. Like, all I used in this hair was water. Love me some curly hair because it's so freaking easy to style. Once you get past the lace customization, everything else is a breeze. Like, you just gotta customize the wig one time and that's it. But when it comes to styling, you just put some water, a little bit of mousse, and a little bit of oil, and the hair is live. Now, I did experience slight shedding, not too much, and that has to do with me bleaching the knots, then plucking the hair. Obviously, you're gonna have some loose strands of hair that's gonna come out. Once you co-wash and you get those loose hairs out, no problem after that. So I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that, and also, you know, give you a heads up on what to expect. So let me just show y'all the ends of the hair. This is how the ends are looking. I didn't fully wet the hair after I let it dry. You know, like when you wash it after you bleach the knots, and then I just left it overnight to just be whatever it wanna be. So it was dry and all of that. Just sprayed some water. Didn't drench it too much, just sprayed water and added the mousse. And this is how the end is looking after I did my makeup and everything. Like, y'all, 20 inches is pretty long. Like, I didn't expect the 20 inches to be this long. I am 5'3" in height, so for it to be like almost butt length, that 20 inch is fantastic, especially when it's hot. I love curly hair when it's hot, but when it's too long and too big, it's a bit much. But this hair is doing everything. It's super lightweight. The frontal was easy to style, easy to melt, all that, and you're gonna see it once I do the customization in the rest of the video. So that is my take on this wig. Super soft, easy to style, easy to install. It's just giving life. Okay, so let me stop rambling and let's get into the installation. that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this unit. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like, all that jazz. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up for myself. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, come Stella.